Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. In this video, I am going to show you how to cut and clean crab. Before we get started, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified on all my updates. Without further ado, let's get started. Separate claws from crab to begin with. Then cut off the flat part of their legs. There's no much meat there. Then pry off the shell by pulling from the back of the crab. Remove the gills and scoop out the gut from inside the crab. A good rule of thumb is remove anything and everything that's not white. White is meat. Wash and cleanse crab thoroughly under running water at least 3 to 4 times. Cut into halves by splitting down from head to tail. We prepare delicious crab puli munchi out of these crabs. Click the card above to watch how we made crab puli munchi. If you liked what you watched, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.